Skater deploy.
I got it.
I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing, bro.
Why you running?
Y'all tripping.
Look, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can never be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to return the person you want to be quiet. Hey, my man, back up. Back up till we finish. Back up till we finish. Anything you say can never be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to return the person you want to be caution. You can't afford one to court attorney will be appointed, alright? I'll take that out.
You got to just, yeah.
Yeah.
You got to just squeeze it out.
I didn't do nothing.
You started the car?
I didn't do nothing.
N37. You start a 107 pop or 100 block of Hollywood. Indicated 108 to deployed. Place all the streets in.
On the side of the house, bro. On the side of the house.
I'm tripping, bro.
You good, Rob?
Huh?
You good? Or you innocent?
But how you doing?
Look, get on your knees. Get on your knees. Roll over. Get on your knees.
Rob,
It did say he had a bag in his hand.
Rob, listen.
You're not gonna do that to me, man. Big bag. What's in that?
Y'all put the bag on me. I didn't have that. Come on, that's some bullshit.
Do we need to get a K in over here? Check him? Do we need to get a K in over here to check him out? Yeah. N37. We have a K in route 164 Alpha Hollywood.
I didn't do nothing. What about the car?
Yeah.
I didn't do nothing, bro. And that's not mine.
And you could also indicate 962 at 164 Bravo Hollywood.
I'm not putting that on me, mate. Check on the side of the house, good.
I'm gonna go back.
Make sure. I'm not putting that on me, mate. I didn't run up on the bike, I'm running. Man, I left on the bike because I ain't got to talk about nothing. What I'm talking about? Come on, man, it's some bullshit. You know it's some bullshit, Georgie, man. Come on, man. I didn't do nothing wrong, man. Y'all know this some bullshit, bro. I didn't do nothing wrong. Riding the bike off the stove. What did I do wrong, man? Come on, man. This some bullshit, bro. Y'all can't do that to people, man. So y'all just mess with me because I'm on a bike? I'm trying to understand what's going on. I didn't do nothing wrong. I'm trying to mind my business. I mean, this is crazy. Yo, come and sit.
Hey, stay, my man.
Why y'all attacking me? I'm trying to understand what's going on.
Where you stay?
Y'all want there's a culture. I'm trying to understand what's going on.
When the police tried to stop you, you ran.
I didn't run.
You
I'm
had-
on the bike. I did not run.
Yeah,
I turned the bike and I walked and I rode away because that's some bull crap while I'm riding on the lot. I could, man,
Well, the
I'm coming
police
from
trying to stop
store.
you and you're not
Why
gonna
I gotta stop for what? What if I stop you? What you gotta stop
Yeah.
for? What?
He's trying to
Man,
stop
I'd
you.
have been walking. My car done broke. I'd have been walking out, flag down the law, keep going. Come on, man, y'all don't stop. I ain't gotta come on, man. This is crazy.
Yeah,
Stop for what?
The police try to stop you. You gotta
Stop
stop.
for what? Why?
Stop so he can
I
explain to
didn't
you
do
why he's
nothing
stopping
wrong. I turned around, I asked him what he wanted. He said, what you doing on the lot? I said, I was at the store, and I pulled
Okay,
off.
and there's no loitering signs on the...
I was at the store. I wasn't just loitering on the lot. I went in the store, and I came out the store. That's
Sure
what I'm
about
supposed to do.
That's what the camera's gonna show?
Come on, it's some bull crap.
That's what the camera's gonna show?
Look, we all know it's some bull crap. Y'all stop me for nothing. This is all some bull crap. This is all some bull crap.
All right.
This is all some bull crap.
You might take this bull crap and look what you got.
This is all some bull crap.
That's bull crap too?
This is all some bull crap.
And put everything in this thing so that...
This is all some bull crap, bro. You know it, bro. This is all some bull crap, bro.
What's that?
All the stuff that was in there.
It's all some bull crap, bro. Bull crap, bro. Can't understand, man.
What's the 2 and a half? I think they'll just go to the college. Careful, man. Thank you. 515. 515.
Y'all call a kid?
Yeah, you got to.
If you got an automatic bring him to the hospital.
Where you got hit at?
In the front?
How you doing? Ran from us, so we tased him. And we just need to get him checked out, make sure he's good to go. That's it.
I told you I was coming from the store.
Why take off when I'm trying to talk
I
to you?
rolled off because what I told you I was coming from the
You
store,
rode off
bro.
fast.
Bro, I told you I coming from the store and I rolled off because this is crazy. You know, I mean, come on, man. You stopped me to ask me why I'm coming off the store. Like, because I'm coming from the store. You know, this is crazy, bro. This is crazy, bro. Wow, man. This ain't right. Y'all can't tell me this is right. What's going on, man? This is crazy, man. Y'all can just... Anybody?
You gonna let them check your vitals?
Of course. I ain't got my let's go, man.
Just making sure.
Where exactly did the bomb hit that? Yeah, just take one look and see down. I'm gonna put this on your finger back in there. Well, I'm saying I think the 94 occurred behind the store.
Anything? CA, huh? So it's more than just narcotics. It's all 34 series. Yeah, we do it now with the new police. We do it now.
Yeah.
They give us a little tool on it.
Okay.
How was it?
Yeah, Rob, what's his name?
Charles.
Charles Dozier. Yeah, and that's gonna be his credit card.
Okay, cool. If I go one.
Yeah.
Date of birth.
6'5" or 7'8".
Cool. Thank you.
So his heart rate's a little high. If y'all want to, we can try to sit him down for a minute, get him like in some AC, just try to get him out of here, see if he comes down.
Okay.
He's saying he doesn't want to.
Say that again?
He's saying he doesn't want to go with us regardless. So.
Okay, that's fine. What's up, man?
So since his punk ass ran through my yard, if y'all take him away, I could take the bike.
Let us figure out everything.
All right, because if not, shit, I could use the bike.
I'll be honest with you, he probably won't go to jail because the giant been taking people because of COVID and stuff like that first.
Gotcha.
Because all we have is drug charges going on right now.
Okay.
So we'll figure it out, but I don't know, man. We're going to figure out something to do with the bike.
Because I seen if it would have scratched my fucking car, then for sure I would have took the bike. But
I
it
got
didn't,
you.
so we
Yeah,
good.
just give us a minute, let's figure
All right,
everything
that's
out.
good. Cool.
All right, bro.
And hospital helping. On the left or right side? Left side? Okay. Alright, you need anything else, boss? Sure. Alright, good luck to you guys.
Me too. Hold on.
You need his ID. Huh?
Alright, Charles, man, this is the deal. Trying to see the jail gonna take you, man. Jail don't take you. Cut your mission, guys. I'm not for your arrest, huh? Jail take you. I took you to the hospital, get you cleared over there. And then we should do, alright? You just see my kids, man. You're saying this is wrong. You just see my kids, man. Probably wouldn't even get this far, man, if you'd have just stopped talking. I know what you're saying is crazy, but at the same time, we probably wouldn't even be right here right now if you'd have just talked to me.
Why, after I told you I'm to the store, what else that was to talk about, bro? I didn't answer your question. I don't understand.
But I asked you to come see.
For what?
I already told you what.
But I told you, when I
Yeah,
turned
just
around,
you told me now, so I just
at the
asked you to come
store.
see.
I told you I was at the store. After I take him to the store, what else are you coming for? I said I was in the store. You know, come see for what?
I asked honest, because now we see each other because of what you just did.
Nah, but I mean, you was coming to do me something anyway, because that was crazy.
Coming to do you nothing.
Yeah, that was out of everybody over here, why me? And I'm on the bike, minding my business. I was coming from on the store lot. I was driving off the store lot. They had people walking, They had people walking at the store. They had people walking on the store lot. They had people at the store.
When I made contact, we was behind the store, me and you. Nobody else.
But they had people at the store. Why wouldn't y'all go ask them what they're doing to the store? So somebody told you to come talk to me?
Huh?
You understand what I'm
Somebody
saying?
gave you description, that's why I say talk to.
Or somebody gave my description and said that I was at the store. Come on, man. I'm at the store doing what to do on the store. Somebody gave my description and said I was at the store.
Who that bike for?
That's for Bernard. That ain't my bike.
837.
837.
29 on the bicycle when you're ready. Mate's going to be a longboard. Model's going to be a Mango. Serial number Lima 1 4050 5042. Repeating Lima 1 4050 5042.
Andrew 7.
71.
Negative 9.
Careful.
Look, Sam, I called. Larry calls me. Said, hey, we got Charles doing it. Oh, I know him.